just check in our database that we've already connected to, SQL Server. Where do you look? In the Server Explorer window, go to View and select it. Right here in Server Explorer. So go ahead and refresh our database right here. Let's take a look at what fields are in the products table. See here? The auto ID, I'm going to pull that into the link label right here. Auto ID. Now we've got the product barcode, right? We've also got the product name. What's next? You can choose whichever one you want here, but for now, I'm going to bring in unit in stock first. Units. Also, change the name of the text box. Unit in stock. Text box. Oh, that's one mistake. For this one, you can use unit of measure. I'll rename the text to product. Let's just call it unit. It's easier to read. Otherwise, using that word would make it a bit harder to read. It's basically the unit of measurement for the product, like pieces or items. Change the name of the text box as well to product unit. Okay, the left side is done. Now let's move to the right side. This will be a price course. Write the label text before the cost price. This is the purchase price, the cost price. Rename the text box to cost. Price. Tech blog. Next is the selling price, so change the label text to selling price first. Rename the text box as well. You can also use a furry, short or long. You can name it whatever you want. Just use that name so it's easy to understand. Here I use selling price. When naming the text box, I use sell price, but there's really no strict rule here. You can name it however makes sense to you. Next is the category name. I'll just use a short word. Category. That means the product category. Here, you can also rename the text box. Name it category for the text box. And finally, for the note section, just change the label to note first. So rename the text box to something meaningful like note text box. Okay, now all 8 text boxes are done. There's just this link label left. Here I will now remove the text. You could also just type a 0 like this. See? That way, if we delete all the text, it might be invisible, so just type a 0 in this text box here.